Hi, my name's Amanda, and I'm with Framework, the organization that brings you the TimeRaiser and Civic Footprint programs. And I've got my trusty headset here, and I'm going to bring you through why we're so excited about Google Applications. If you think about sending emails through attachments, sorting through thousands of documents on a hard drive, or working off the wrong version of a file, you can understand why we are so excited about Google Applications. I'm going to walk you through how we build sites using Google Sites, embed using Google Docs, and integrate with other web-based services such as Salesforce.com. Google Applications is really powerful for office productivity needs. It provides a full suite of email, shared calendaring, documents and spreadsheets, sites, and instant messaging. This is our IT portal, located at it.timeraiser.ca. We use it for two key purposes. It allows us to enable IT professionals and volunteers with the knowledge that they need about our organization so that they can contribute and help with our IT practices. It also allows us to share our experiences and knowledge of tech strategies and some of the tools that we use with other like-minded organizations. You can see some of the tools that we use and actually find some of the descriptions and how we've put them together in our tool catalog located on the left-hand side. Google Sites is very powerful in having a site up and running in no time. As you can see here, this is the admin console page for our IT portal. Very little technical knowledge is needed to get a site up and running. Most of the configuration, setup, and layout design for your site is point and click. Very little development needed. From here, we can change the header, add and remove page content, design the layout, and specify our navigation, all by pointing and clicking and adding content. What's so great about Google Applications is that the tools work really well with one another. So what that means is now that we've built this IT portal that was really easy to get up and running using Google Sites, we can populate content with documents that we have from Google Docs. A good example is our Software as a Scan page. So here's a listing of some of the IT tools, web-based services tools that are on the web. And what you're looking at is an embedded Google spreadsheet. So when we make changes to this document, we know that the changes will be made anywhere that this Google spreadsheet is embedded. Let me show you. So if we head over to Google Docs and I search for the Software as a Service spreadsheet, which I know will come up quickly because it's powered by Google Search, which is very powerful. When I open the spreadsheet, I can make changes to the document. Let's say new tool. And then we'll close it. Once we go back to the IT portal and review the inventory, you'll see that the new change has been made. That was fast. Changes made once, distributed widely. So not only does Google Applications make it really easy to get a site up and running with content that we use from Google Docs, but it also means that we can create many sites for our very specific audience with very specific content in no time at all. Here's some examples of the sites that we have up that can be very specialized, right down to our Young Lawyers portal, our planning site for TimeRaiser, or even our RSVP for TimeRaiser's special guests or our annual holiday party. One of the other amazing features of Google Applications that we at Framework are really excited about is its Google Applications integration with other applications, such as Salesforce.com. What you're looking at right here is the Salesforce environment with Google Applications embedded within it. What that means is we can access our Google Docs from within Salesforce, keeping all of our information in one location, easily accessible, and making it really efficient for us to work. So a good example that I can show you of that is a community activity in Salesforce, such as our 2009 holiday party. What you see here in this community activity is things like our details, the goals for the event, costs, details, as well as our special guests. Where it becomes really powerful is that we can also add Google Docs. So if we create an invitation list and RSVP using Google Docs, we can then embed it in Salesforce so information is created once, distributed widely, and accessible anywhere. Stay tuned to our next video where we show you how we integrate Salesforce and Google Applications.